welcome back again to my channel. Today we're going to make a very easy project and we're going to make use of this mercerized cotton in double pull. I'm going to use of my 3mm crochet hook. We'll be using 4 of this lobster clam, our yarn needle, and of course our scissor. So we set this one aside. Make sure you have enough tail for us to attach our. So to start off, chain 3, and on the very first chain that we did, we're going to make 1 double crochet. Then chain 3 again, turn your work, and we're going to make 1 double crochet on this chain. So we're going to make 1 double crochet on that chain, so this is the chain that I'm talking about, this one. So chain 3 again, turn your work, and 1 double crochet again on that chain. So we're just going to repeat and repeat and repeat until we reach the length that we need for our lanyard. Chain 3, turn, and then double crochet, chain 3, turn, and double crochet. And turn, and then double crochet. Chain 3 again, turn your work, have a 1 double crochet again on that same stitch. So we're just going to repeat the pattern until you reach, as I've said, until you reach the length of the lanyard that you're going to make. So I am done with mine, and this measures about 19 inches. This is for an adult, 18.5 to 19 inches. So for a toddler or a kid, maybe more shorter. So we're just going to end and fasten off. Cut our yarn. Remember to leave a longer tail for us to attach the clam. Now we can take our clam. You can make use of your yarn needle, or just if you will be able to put it directly, much better. And then we're just going to make a simple knot. Just make sure it is so close. So we just adjust our knot. The same thing on the other end. And now we are done. This is so easy. It will only take you a few minutes to finish, and you can also sell this one. And this is a very timely project as well. You can use it on our mask or on our face shield. So thank you again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something today on our video tutorial. Happy crocheting, everyone. Stay safe and God bless. See you soon on my next video.